Good morning, sir. I'm Nihal Singh, presenting in front of you my seminar presentation on data science and big data. Here, the content of data science and big data. What is data science? Collecting large amount of unrelated data and transforming it into a more usable format, solving business related problem using data driven techniques, working with variety of programming language like SAS, R and Python, having a solid grasp of statics including statistical tests and distribution, staying on top of analytic techniques such as machine learning, deep learning and text analytics, communicating and collaborating with both IT and business. Here the diagram of which is show who work do like analytics and who data scientists. Why the hype around data science? IBM predicts that demand for data scientists will soar by 28% by 2020. Data scientists' role have grown over 650% since 2012, but currently 35,000 people in the United States have data science skill, while hundreds of companies are hiring for those roles. Software engineering is a common start point for professionals who are in the top 5 fastest growing job today. The career path to machine learning engineer and big data developer being with a solid software engineering background. Data science give you career flexibility. The life cycle of data science: first, business understanding, then data mining, data cleaning, data exploration, feature engineering, predictive modeling and data visualization. Learning data science with Python libraries. Uh, there are many libraries used in Python like NumPy, Scikit-learn, and Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Keras. There are many tools used in data science like Jupyter Notebook. What is big data? Big data may well be the next big thing in the IT world. Big data burst upon the scene in the first decade of the 21st century. The first organization to embrace it were online and startup firms. Firms like Google, eBay, LinkedIn, and Facebook were built around big data from the beginning. Likely many new information techniques, big data can be bring about dramatic cost reduction, substantial improvements in the time required to perform a computing task on the product and service offering. What is big data? Big data is a similar to small data but bigger in size. But having data bigger is required different approach, techniques, tool and architecture, and aim to solve new problem or old problem in a better way. Big data generates value from the storage and processing of very large quantities of digital information that cannot be analyzed with traditional computing techniques. There are three characteristics of big data: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume. A typical PC might have have had 100 gigabyte of storage in 2000. Today, Facebook ingest 500 terabyte of new data every day. Boeing 737 will generate 240 terabyte data of fla- flight data during a single flight across the US. The smartphone, the data they create and consume sensor embedded into everyday object will soon result in billions of new constantly update data feeds containing environmental location and other information including videos, velocity, click streams and aid impression capture user behavior at millions of events per second. High frequency stock trading algorithm reflect market change within microsecond. Machine to machine process exchange data between billion of device infrastructure and sensor generate massive log data in real time. Online gaming systems support millions of concurrent users, each producing multiple input per second. Variety. Variety. Big data isn't just number that dates and string. Big data is also geospatial data, 3D data, audio and video, and unstructured text, including log file and social media. Traditional database systems were designed to address a small volume of structured data, favor update on or a predictable, consistent data structure. Big data analyst including different type of data. Storing big data, analyze your data characteristic, selecting data source for analyze, eliminating redundant data, stabilizing the role of NoSQL. Overview of big data store data model, key value graph, document, column family, Hadoop distributed file system, HBase, Hive. Processing big data, integrating disparate data storage, mapping data to the programming framework, connecting and extracting data from storage, transform data for processing, subdividing data in preparation for Hadoop MapReduce, employing Hadoop MapReduce, creating the component of Hadoop MapReduce job, distributing data processing across server farms, executing Hadoop MapReduce job, monitoring the progress of job flows. Uh, in India, big data gaining attraction, huge market opportunity for IT service, 82.9% of revenue, and analytics firms, 17.1%. Currently, market size is 1 billion by 2015, 200 million. The opportunity of Indian service provider lies in offering services around big data implementation and analytics for global multinationals. Applications of big data and data science, fraud and risk detection, healthcare, internet search, targeted advertising, website recognition, advanced image recognition, speech recognition, airline route planning. The future work of big data, uh, 15 billion of software firms online specializing in data management and analytics. The industry on its own is worth more than 100 billion and growing at almost 10% a year, which is roughly twice as fast as the software business as a whole. In February 2012, the open source analyst firm Wikibon released the first market forecast for big data listing 5.1 billion revenue in 2012 with growth to 53.4 billion in 2017. The Muskie Global Institute estimate the data volume is growing 40% per year and will grow 44 into between 2009 and 2020. Thank you very much.